Hi everyone. Well, it's a little bit of a slower time right now in the Calikim garden, and we're taking advantage when things aren't growing quite as quickly to do some maintenance and projects around the Calikim garden. So the first thing we want to ask your advice on, about a year ago, our moderator Nisha sent me a small little passion fruit vine. Well, it's growing. I need a spot to put it, and I definitely want your advice on that one.
Next, I'm going to take you back to the side yard project. We've made a decision, and we're going to give you a little sneak peek.
And then we're going to wrap up the video back here at the Fountain Planter, where we're going to read some fan mail, some very special comments, and you definitely don't want to miss that one. So let's go take a look at the passion fruit, and I'm really counting on you guys for your help. So it was very sweet of Nisha to send me a teeny tiny little passion fruit cutting that she had growing in her yard too. It was about 6 inches tall when she sent it to me, and I just didn't have time to do anything with it over the summer. Transplanted it into a Calikim 5-gallon Smart Pots. Very excited to grow passion fruit, tropical fruit, my very first time growing anything like that. It is growing so fast, and we even have a little passion fruit on it. But right now I just have it staked up with a little pole there. Definitely not enough support for it because it's growing up and over the pole and even into the tree back behind here. Couple little passion fruit on it, guys. This is so exciting, and just beginning the research process of how to grow passion fruit, and this is where I need your help. Look at how far the vine is trailing over here. So it definitely needs a permanent home. If any of you are passion fruit growers, I would love to hear your suggestions and tips on growing passion fruit. We're here in Southern California, zone 9B. Don't get a frost, at least we haven't for a couple of years, so I have every confidence that this will grow well over the winter time. And let me just show you the spot that I'm thinking about transplanting it to. So the idea I have is to plant it here under this really sturdy garden arch. Would just really be a nice little entrance to the hill garden here. Plant it down here, grow up and over the arch with the passion fruit hanging down. I think it would be so, so pretty. So let me know what you think. In the summertime, this spot gets about 10 to 12 hours of sun a day. In the winter, it's mostly shaded, only about 3 hours of sun. So please, guys, I am counting on you for your help, and we'll come back and do a follow-up video, share with you the tips, share with you how it works, and I cannot wait to read your comments.
Now, you may remember this side yard project video where we cleaned everything out, we threw a bunch of things away. We're so excited about getting this space back. The compost pile has been totally relocated during this project. We can't wait to get this thing done. We think you're gonna like it. We decided to go with a professional installer on this project, but we're gonna tell you how we came to that and because it might actually help you. Now, the first thing is we identified what we didn't want. We didn't want bark or loose gravel that could slush around and just get kind of messy to walk through. We also didn't want sand. We didn't want to kick up a lot of dust and track it into the house. Now, we've already started the project here, and well, I think maybe what I'll do is I'll show you a quick sneak peek. Now we need a little help from you all that have dogs. Already, Mac has begun digging holes, and we're a little bit concerned about this. Mac, have you been digging holes? Did you dig that hole? Did you dig the hole back there? Back now here at the Fountain Planter. I call it Cafe de Alfresco Amphitheater.
I like that.
Yeah, it's kind of bourgeois, you know,
Yeah.
that kind of thing. And so we got some cool mail that we want to read. Here's a comment from the top 4 garden questions of the week live stream, and Kara Curran, she said, "Hey, I just got shouted out in this video. I feel famous." Well, you are famous. So thank you for that comment. That was great.
Now I have a comment from Clarissa Smiles. She commented on the fall garden finale video, and I absolutely love her comment. She says, "Thanks. My son and I live in Chicago, and we're growing a fall vegetable garden for the very first time. We're making row covers using bamboo stakes, clamps, and greenhouse plastic I bought from Amazon. I also purchased some soil heating cables to keep the soil a little bit warmer once we reach the 20s and teens. We may even use a heater to take the chill off at night when we really get cold. Wish us luck." And I really love this because first-time gardener, and she's using a lot of resources that are available to her and just making it work even in Chicago. So kudos to you, and shout out to Clarissa and her son for growing their fall garden and doing what it takes to make it happen.
The next comment comes from the land down under. Craig Metcalf commented about the butternut squash video. He says, "Hi team, I started growing butternut squash for the first time, and they are jumping out of the ground. After seeing your beautiful garden, I've ordered some formal garden arches which arrived yesterday." That's totally exciting. We have a friend down in Australia now, it sounds like. But here's the part that I really like. He said, "Anyhow, I've become addicted to your channel, and I think Camera Guy is a keeper."
Definitely.
And is punching above his weight. And I think that's a really nice thing, right? Punching above his weight. I think he's giving me a compliment. Anyway, Craig, I'm just kidding, man. That rocks. Thank you very much, dude. It's so good to have you here with us. Keep the comments coming. Tell your friends down in Australia about us, because we want to come do a tour down in Australia one day. That's on our dream list for sure.
Definitely. So the next comment I'm going to read is on our tomato harvest live video. We harvested a giant tomato on a live stream, and it was really a lot of fun. And this is from Jen, and she says, "Kim, I don't know where to start. You are a fabulous gardener and an inspiration. I love how enthusiastic and helpful you are. Cheers." So Jen, I want to thank you so much for your comment. You guys, we read every single comment, and they're so encouraging and so motivating. And this one especially just gives me that motivation to get out here and film videos. And it really just makes us feel special that we were able to help you and inspired you to get out there and grow your own food. So thank you so much, Jen. We really, really appreciate it.
Yep. Now listen, as we wrap things up in this video, I want to remind you that we will keep you posted on the side yard project, so stay tuned. I think you're going to like where it's going.
Definitely. And also on the passion fruit vine, I can't wait to see it grow and can't wait to read your comments. And I am going to read one more here from Sharon Vegas. And again, a super encouraging comment, Sharon. "I just love you and Camera Guy. You have helped me so much with my small garden. My yard is now littered with different size smart pots." Welcome to the club, Sharon. Mine is too. "My local hydroponic store only sells black, but I hope to get some rainbow colors soon." So Sharon, thanks again, really appreciate it. And hang in there, because those rainbow colors are definitely coming out soon. Little sneak peek, we do have some new things coming in the next couple of weeks to help you guys throughout the cold winter months. So stay tuned to CaliKimGardenHome.com and right here on this channel. For those of you in the cold winter, hang in there. Springtime is just around the corner, but stay with us here. We're going to grow all winter long here in sunny Southern California. Bring you guys along here with us, and hopefully it gives you a lift to see the sunshine and colors in our garden. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.